In this video, I'm going to go through how to customize the theme to give yourself a little bit of branding and uniqueness in your theme. Now, we're going to use the supply theme, which is the free theme that we loaded in a previous video. But what I want to highlight here is that many of the themes, including the premium themes, use the same format or the same areas of customization that'll give you, so once you learn sort of from this video how to, customize this theme, all of those types of customizations work on all the other themes. So once you get the idea of how to do this, you'll be able to do that with pretty much any theme that you load to your store. So let's go through them. So what you'll see here at first, the presets. And what this is that this theme has different versions of itself preloaded that already sets the colors and the header and the menu bar as well as the highlight colors and stuff like that. So it's already preset using a different using a different preset version of the theme. So you can use this to set it up more closely to what you're looking for as far as the theme. The other thing you'll notice is on the left hand side here, when I make a change on the different options, it shows you in this preview window how that's going to affect on your site. So it's a good guide, and you can watch through before you hit save changes to keep those changes to go live on your site. You can see how your site's going to look before you do that. So that's the presets. Let's go into colors. So what you see here, they're going to be different versions of the, where things are and, the colors used in the different areas. So, for example, if we use this primary content, right? If we go down here and we start to change this color, you'll see these is primary content, which are the links on the front page and different, here this color on the banner, just to give you the ability to make those kind of tweak changes. So, for example, this accent, which is cart quantity, if there was that comes up here. So let's grab a product quickly and just add it to the cart. And you can see the button is brown. That's the primary content for primary text links and primary buttons. You can see if I make this change again, all those buttons change color. So that's what that's all about. Accents is cart quantity. So if I go in here, I can make that cart quantity match, or make it highlight differently, just to make sure, people can see it, or, however you want to make those changes. You have the ability inside here on the color, the body background, you can make the body of the site a different color. Borders, you can make the border lines a different color. So, you can make it as ugly as you want, as you can see. You can do pretty much using these color guides, you can make your site look pretty much any way you want. The main menu background, that's this one here. So you can see, you can, match branding with other sites that you've already got and stuff like that. Again, anything you can think of, you can pretty much do inside this. There we go, back to the blue. So perfect. And so again, you can make those with colors, anything that you want. Now with the typography, you can change the font of just about anything you want. You can make it anything and it'll change. Slight changes you can see there. Let's see, what do we got going here? There, you can see that slight changes to the font are going. So you can make anything See, you can, using these different, so base styles is the heading changes. Heading styles is for the, the highlighted areas in the products and stuff like that. So navigation buttons, you can make any of the changes that you want. Size, they want, see this size down here when it changed significantly. Let's make it 16, and then you'll see this go bigger. So again, just using some of the features here, you can make the changes. I'm just going to go back to the defaults because it's just better that way. Most of these things like that we typically don't change because the theme already is put together in a way that looks great. So let's have a look at the header. Now here we can add using a custom logo. So we can use a custom logo instead of just the business name in text. So you just click on replace, and we'll go to my desktop, and I have a Typography logo there. Just going to load that in, and what we'll see is the logo get placed there on the site. Now this one was designed for the other color scheme, so I'm just going to save this, for example, and go back to the preset and set the soft green, and then you'll see deleted that. Use custom logo, save changes, and we'll see the logo placed on the site. So that's the header. You can set up a favicon, which if you don't know what that is, that's the little button that goes on here, and you can set that up, or you can put a text message on there as well. So you can see that's how the header works. Now in the footer, you can show a footer menu, and then you select from your navigation list, and that'll be covered in another video. But you just select the footer list, like that's a footer menu, and you'll see in the bottom here we've got these quick links. That's what that is talking about. We have contact text. So if we put something in there, so contact us at support@typography.com, you will see then we save those changes. That's going to pop up here on the bottom of the thing. You also have the show, the social icons, on the bottom. If you have them set, you can add those there. You can have the show newsletter or not to show it. Again, totally up to you. Just showing you what you can do there. So that takes us down to the footer. I'm going to cover the next section, the home page, product page, cart page, on the next video. So we'll see you in the next video.